Here's a certified 2020 Toyota Corolla. Go ahead and make a statement that will make you stand out. After all, it's not bragging if it's true. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, smart device navigation, continuously variable automatic transmission, manual telescoping steering column, wireless phone connectivity, streaming audio, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Kelley Blue Book reports Toyota's Corolla sedan continues to offer buyers a proven commodity that delivers value, efficiency, and peace of mind. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Giant Carson Toyota, just off I-405 at the Wilmington exit in Carson, California. Take us for a ride.